Hi, 7th graders. Just Miss Wetland here to make sure that the expectations as far as today go are clear. Today you will primarily be working on the solving equations pixel art and the Edpuzzle on solving equation word problems. Both can be found in Google Classroom under today's week an agenda. For the pixel art, which we started yesterday, remember that there are some expectations as far as the work goes on loose leaf. On the loose leaf, you're going to want to make sure that you clearly number the problem. And I'm going to work through one problem with you right now just to help you remember how to solve equations as a refresher. Remember, when solving equations, what you do to one side, you want to do to the other to keep it balanced. So in this case, the opposite of adding 12 is subtracting 12. I do that so that the 12s cancel each other out. And now I have x over 15 equals 1. That fraction bar means to divide. The opposite of dividing is to multiply. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 15. The idea behind that is when I multiply by 15, the 15s will cancel each other out from the numerator and the denominator on the left-hand side, and then I'll be left with x equals 15. Remember to box in your answer and keep your equal signs lined up. Anytime you enter something into the pixel art, it's going to have to start with x and then equals 15 with no spaces between them. You can use the pixel art to check, but I do want you to write out how you check a problem. So in this case, remember that means that I take the 15 and I put it back into the problem for x. So I would have 15 over 15 plus 12. And if that gave me 13, then I know that my answer is correct. Be sure to skip spaces in your work and make it neat and organized. Ultimately, it will be the work that I look for completion, not the picture on the pixel art. So take your time. If you do come across a problem that you are struggling with and have some work shown, you can put a star by it, and I'll give a little time at the beginning of class tomorrow in order to kind of answer some of those questions. You do not have to do the ones that say leave until the end unless you would like to attempt and try them, but those ones are not expected for it. If you finish up early, you will find a Booklet under today's agenda, so under this Tuesday, that you could do, which would practice with simplifying expressions. You will also find some IXLs that I have recommended for you as well. Thank you. Remember to be kind and respectful for the sub and work hard. Have a great day.